How would you live? Society in the Industrial Age, AP World History, topic 5.9. How did industrialization cause change in existing social hierarchies and standards of living? How do you think about industrialization and how it flips society upside down? Picture this era as a massive shift in the game of life. New social classes. Here's the deal. Industrialization brought in some new players on the social field. First, the middle class. These folks are like the new bosses in town, running businesses and offices. Then there's the industrial working class, the backbone of factories, getting their hands dirty. Women and children's roles. In working class families, it wasn't just the men bringing home the bacon. Women and kids chipped in too. They're out there working for pay. But in middle class families, women were more like home managers, focusing on kids in the house. Let's throw in a modern twist. Think of our AI and tech revolution today. It's changing jobs and lives, kind of like industrialization did back in the day. People try to be hopeful, but not everyone can find their way. Now, imagine life in a booming industrial city. Crowded streets, factories at every corner. That's a different world from the quiet countryside, right? These cities face tough stuff, pollution, crime, you name it. So what if you were there, factory worker or shop owner? How do you think your day-to-day would change? It's not just history, it's real life, different times. Bottom line, industrialization wasn't just gears and grime. It reshaped how people lived, worked, and saw the world. Change is big, fast, and unstoppable. Comment with how you want to change the world now. Like the video and subscribe.